Hi friends, this is the video to how to hack Pokemon Go and how to get a joystick and how to hack GPS. So let's start. First, go to the Play Store and download fake GPS Go simulator. Sorry, it is taking long time. So as you can see, we have to choose this first option, fake GPS joystick. I have already installed it, so let's begin. Now first open where is my now first open fake GPS. So I have already started, but you will get some uh, cookies. So let's start. First we have to search a location, as I do London. Then go to the search, then do like this and click on the location which you want. Now click on this. Now your location has been changed, but if it is not done, then go to the settings. Choose GPS only. I will show you how to do this. Go to the settings and then search for locations. So now I will get the location. So choose GPS only mode, and some devices also have device only mode. So choose this mode only, not other modes. And then go back and then search for mock locations. No, you can also do this by going on. First go to about device and then go to build number. Click it about 10 times to activate developer options. As I had already activated it, so I not need to activate it now. So let's go to developers option. In Samsung phones it is allow mock locations, and in other Android phones it may be select the mock location app and click on that app to get access to that mock location. So we have done all this thing. So now on this Pokemon Go, so you get a joystick. Wait for a second. So as you can see that there is no more, that there is no, it will get away soon. So as you can see there is no thing like fail to detect location and anything, and you can also control this device by this joystick. So thank you guys, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks.